As you can see, the flat lip is facing up, and all the panels must have your flat lip facing in the upward direction. Okay, so this is the finger end, and this is the slot end over here, also having the flat lip on each one of those. That's where we're going to connect the next panel. So it's important for this first panel that we start by cutting off the finger, so we have a square edge that's going to go right into this wall. That's where we're going to start. So in addition to cutting that off, which we want to cut off about a quarter of this panel to start with a square edge, we also have to make a hole in it for our receptacle. And I also have a cable here for cable TV coming through the wall that we'll have to drill a hole in. So we're going to take these measurements, take the panel outside to the saw and make our cuts, and then come back in and install our first panel. For more detailed instructions or information about these panels or any of the other great products from Barron Designs, check out their website at barrondesigns.com.